This is one of those kind of like awkward workflows in LightWave. So, okay, that's kind of fine. So, 700 on this one. And then I'll round those, but I can't because the rounder is kind of screwed up. They never fixed the issue, so I gotta take one first, and then the second one. Okay, so far so good, I guess. I gotta take these guys right here, and let's see. Yeah, and then I can't really use rounder again. It will not fly. There's really no way to fix it. Could, you know, like select some. Yeah, even that won't work. So you gotta extend the edges and stuff. I mean, you could do that, but it's just ridiculous, really. ET and move that up. And now, I guess I can go like this and use rounder. Yeah, but then again, it doesn't. Well, I guess that kind of works. So then contract that selection. No, it doesn't work. But you can see how awkward this is, right? Invert and delete, and that's one way to do it. It's really stupid. It's totally stupid. So that's the best way to do it in LightWave. Do have the other option, which is damn awkward as well. And it just annoys the hell out of me that they never fixed this. And that is, so you go like that, and then you use chamfer trick, so to speak, on these guys. So yeah, just add chamfer to this, and then it kind of works. How does that work? Yes, sir. Okay, there's a bunch of there's an edge here. Okay, for some reason that didn't delete, but okay. So yeah, so you got to take these guys and then chamfer it. Is it still there? Why is that? Yeah, well, I mean, all these problemos you can get into, it's ridiculous, really. I think, yeah, we got a bunch of, maybe that's my fault. So I don't know what happened there, really. But it seems like I have a bunch of 2-point polygons for some reason, but anyway. Yeah, so take those and chamfer to whatever value. Let's say 100. Then you do that, and you do it one more time, but without this one and that one. And then you chamfer once again. And this is just stupid. It's a ridiculous workflow, really. Why should we do it like this? Why is this one of the better workflows? I mean, it's ridiculous, really. So, if people wonder why some of us are fleeing to Blender, I mean, you know, well, why do you think that is? So this is just a complete hack, really. Yeah, yeah. That's really bad. So why do people flee to Blender? Well, for stuff like this, it's just crazy, really. It shouldn't be like that. We have waited like, I don't know, like 17 years for a rounder update. And I know we've got chamfer, but still, it's just ridiculous. And that's one of the reasons why LightWavers are heading towards Blender, plus the statement they had for some weeks ago. So, but of course, you could just fix this by buying LightWave CAD. That would fix it, and it would actually be great. But as a professional program, this is just stupid. It's like 17 years ago. They should have fixed it like 15 years ago, This is basically number uno priority, and it didn't fix it. And it's stuff like that that just is dumb. Just like not having a shortcut for grid snap on and off somewhere here like Blender does. I mean, why? Why so? Why is it so damn hard? There's another way of going about this, and that is this method. And to some degree that is better. But these are just hacks, and it shouldn't be like that. So now I gotta yeah, exactly. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to make a cut here and then round those edges. Actually, that's not possible because you cannot just round those edges. You need a plugin to do that. So this is, why do they think people are leaving?